Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to talk to your Amazon delivery driver. Whether you need to give them special instructions or want to reach out during delivery, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to make contact. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, move your mouse to the top right corner where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and their delivery status. Now, even though I don't have any active orders at the moment, I'll walk you through what you'd see next. On your orders page, you'd scroll through and select the specific order you want to ask about or track. Click on that order to view its details. Once you've opened the order, look for the Track Package button and click it. This will show you real-time updates about where your package is in the delivery process. Here's the important part. When your package status changes to out for delivery, Amazon will display additional options that aren't visible at other times. You might see buttons labeled Call Driver or Message Driver. These options only appear shortly before your package arrives, so timing matters here. If you see a Contact Carrier option, go ahead and click on it. This will give you ways to reach the delivery service handling your package. Alternatively, if you're experiencing any issues or need assistance reaching the driver, click on Problem with Delivery. This routes you through Amazon's support system, which can help facilitate communication between you and the driver. Now, if you want to leave instructions for the driver to see on future deliveries, look for the Delivery Instructions section. Click on it and type your delivery note or message. This could be anything from gate codes to preferred drop-off locations. Once you've typed your instructions, make sure to click Save Instructions. This ensures the driver will see your note not just for this delivery, but for all future ones as well. And that's how you communicate with your Amazon delivery driver. You've now learned how to reach them during active deliveries and how to set up permanent delivery instructions for your address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.